Good morning, students. Yesterday I explained you the instruments used for measuring time. Today I am going to tell you why do we make partitions of time in different ways. For convenience of everyday work, time is divided in different ways. For example, while using words like now, a while ago, in a while, or today, yesterday, and tomorrow, we are unknowingly measuring time in our minds. Read page 32. Now, what we have learned. First point. For convenience of day-to-day work, time is split into parts. When we use words like right now, in a while, or later, we unknowingly measure time in our minds. Point 2. Time is measured by using instruments such as clocks, calendars, and school timetables. Point 3. Time is divided into parts such as second, minute, hour, day and night, or week, fortnight, month and year. Point 4. We get an understanding of time through historical buildings or old objects like coins, statues, or shards of pottery found in an area. They help us to understand the history of that place. So this was lesson 5. Let's go to the exercise, this part. Write these question answers and match the following one time in your EVS notebook. Question number 1. Answer the following questions in one sentence. Which instruments are used for measuring time? Answer. Water clocks, calendars, clocks, and school timetable are used instruments for measuring time. How do we divide time in order to understand it? We divide time into seconds, minutes, hour, day and night, fortnight, month and year. B. Match the following. A part. What has gone by? B. What is going on? C. What is yet to come? B part. 1. Present. 2. Past. 3. Time. 4. Future. Dear students, you have to do this on your own. These answers will be given to you in your school homework app. Thank you.